So, just pass the garter and then all you have to do is pass the bouquet to the girls and then the garter to the boys. Pag nag-stop yung music, definitely later on we will find the lucky girl and the lucky guy. Music please, in the count of 1, 2, and go!
Wine girl and give me the body look fine girl, give me the coming out waste some time girl, give me the body look good girl, you ever been winning it, turn it up right girl, you never been living it, shake up your body cause you're in your element, body.
Oh, okay. So, ayan, kanina tinanong ko sila 3 rounds, okay? So, first round, congratulations because you are safe. You will not take your place to have a seat. Okay? Pwede na kayong umupo. Hold the garter, please. Hold the bouquet. And music, please. Go! Okay, take your seat, please. You're safe. And, of course, last round, music, and go. Palakas, please.
The ground seismic activity, send on me girl and give me the top wine girl and give me the body look fine girl, give me the coming out waste some time girl, give me the body look good girl, you ever.
And, who's the lucky girl? The lucky girl is, what's her name? Magpinsan ba? Magpinsan?
O, pass sa katabi.
Okay. Saan? Magpinsan. So, saan nanggaling yung bouquet? Dito ba? Dito? Dito. So, susunod dito. So, of course, yung kasunod, magpinsan ka ba? Hindi na. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much. What's her name? What's her name? Dominic? Jovelyn and Lyndon and Jovelyn. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, guys and girls. Stand up, please. Ayan. Hindi. Ikaw pala. Halika dito, Jovelyn. For the bouquet to the lucky girl. Okay. So, Lyndon, come here. It's your turn to put the garter. Asan yung garter? Ayan. Okay. So, mag-kneel down ka na. Kailangan gentle. Medyo iusog mo yung legs mo. Ayan. Jovelyn, are you ready? Hindi pa siya ready. Definitely lahat naman ng nakakakuha ng bouquet hindi pa ready. Okay. So, Lyndon, do the honor please. Make it higher. 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 Okay na. O, sige. Okay. Tayo ka lang dito sa side. We're not yet done because here's the thing, okay? Matt, all you have to do is just to give at least 3 kisses sa wife mo. Kung saan mo halikan si Lian, definitely, Lyndon, dun mo halikan si Jovelyn. Okay? So, let's have the good kiss. Ay, may tapik siya dito daw sa noo. Sige, noo. Forehead, okay. Ayan. Palakpakan nyo naman siya. Cheer up. And, next kiss please. Cheek. Okay. So, and of course, give your best kiss. Where's the best kiss? Wait lang, hawin natin yung hair niya. Best kiss. Saan yung pinaka-best? Saan? Saan? Oh, hindi daw doon. Sige, pagbigyan natin. Ayan, sa neck. Okay, uulitin nyo ha. Good. Unahin mo ulit ha. Sabay kayo ngayon ha. Good sa forehead. Better and best. Okay? Good, better, best. Okay? Kailangan sabay kayo. Hawiin natin. It's just a game for fun, okay? So, let's start the game. And, good, better, best. There you go. Let's give you a big round of applause. Wait, let's have your picture taking. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for being sports. Ayan. Dito ka na lang, Matt. Okay, stay here. Stand up. Stand up. And now let's hear some message coming from our couple, Matt and Leanne. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Thank you po sa mga pumunta, dumalo po sa aming kasal. Bale, ayun po. Salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta.
Thank you, maraming salamat sa mga dumating. Yung sa kayo sa amin. Pagmamahalan. Thank you. Sa parents namin. Nanay ko, sa tatay ko, sa family ko, sa mga kapatid ko. Thank you sa mga pinsan ko, lahat. Thank you sa inyo.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so, at the count of 3, gusto ko yung matagal na kiss, ha? Okay, ready? Can we clean our glasses, please? Ayan. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming, to all the principal sponsors, to all the guests, and of course, for those who stayed, thank you so much for coming at this memorable event of their life, Matt and Leanne. Thank you so much to all the suppliers, Image Catering, and of course, Image Digital Photography and Studio, Pacho Michelle, to our sounds and lights, and who else? Sa lahat po na tumulong to make this event possible, maraming salamat po. So, to all of you guys, ingat po sa pag-uwi. This has been your host. My name is Philip Bumbao saying good afternoon and God bless everyone. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Matt.